In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this snail. To make snail, we need a clay. We use air drying water based clay. It comes in a bag like this. And we need a bowl of water and a sponge to clean our hands. We need a pencil as a tool and a cotton cloth to wipe out the water on our hands. Let's get started. We make a shell and a body. Take a clay. To make a shell, we take this big clay. Take one more about similar size. This one is for shell, this one is for a body. And before modification, we need to clean our hands. Clean your hands with the wet sponge. And keep it wet and clean. And make sure very little water stays in your hands. And take a clay, make a perfect ball. And you can fill these cuts by merging with your finger like this. Do exactly the same thing to other ball. Make a neat perfect sphere by rolling in between your hands. Make sure you fill all these cuts. Roll it. Make a perfect ball. And now let's make a shell. Take a clay, hold in between your hands and start rolling it, holding in a V shape. Start rolling it and make a lengthier shape. You can even roll it on your table, making sure you're making a one edge pointier than the other edge. It's like a lengthier cone shape. At least this length. Keep it aside. And clean your hands. Make sure your hands are clean and wet all the time. Don't make too much watery. You can take off some water by wiping from a cotton cloth. And now take this. Hold it on your left hand, pressing it from your right hand like this. You can make it flat. By pressing it like this, you can make it flat. You can even press it on a table like this. Make sure it is still wet and neat. And now you can start rolling it from this edge, pointy edge, start rolling it like this. And this is going to be a shell for our snail. And let's make a body. Make sure you clean your hands, keep it wet. Take the ball, roll in between your hands, holding in a V shape. And the length we can decide based on the shell's size we have. The shell is going to be placed on a body like this, and we are going to make a face in here. So make sure the length which you have extended will match with the shell. We need little more length there. Roll it some more time. About this length is perfect. And before attaching this shell, we are going to modify this body by placing your right hand on a body. By lifting it from your left hand, you can modify this like this. Press it. And now we'll make two antennas. These two are eyes of a snail. We're going to make two antennas and eyes in here. To make that, take two pieces of clay which are equal in size, place it over there, and notice how big they are. They're perfectly fine. Make sure you wet your fingers. Take these two clay pieces and roll it. If it is too watery and skiddy, you can wipe some of the water from your fingers with the cotton cloth. And roll them, make them a cone. Keep one here, one here. You can lift the head out and merge these two antennas on a head. And take a little bit of water from the sponge and do a finishing touch. And this is the time to attach this shell into a body like this. Before attaching, make sure it has a stickiness. Add little water. Add little water on a body. And don't attach it now because it is still in a water condition. It will not hold. The water has to merge with the layer of a clay and form a glue. It is forming a glue now. Take a pencil, make a mark below the shell and make a mark on a body. To join them stronger. Now hold it slowly and attach them by shaking it and pressing it slowly. Take a little bit of water and do a finishing touch. And now we'll make eyes. We'll bring these two antennas little further by pressing it like this. Before doing any modification, make sure you apply a little water in your fingers. And to make eyeballs, we take small pieces of clay. Make sure both of them are equal in size and roll it, place it over there. Before attaching, make sure it has a stickiness. Take a little water, maybe you can roll them on a sponge. Take them out, roll them properly, and stick them. By shaking it and pressing, you can attach them properly. Now the last part, we make a mouth. We take a pencil and make it little wet, roll it on a sponge, and take the snail on your hand, hold it carefully, draw a line from here by sliding it like this. Make a half line from here to here and do the same thing from this side, and bring these two lines together, make a mouth. And you can make a deep depth here to make him look like smiling. Make a deep depth in here. You can press here to make a little more attractive. That's it. We have finished making a snail.